Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the file and getting into Creation Suite immediately. You need an MP3 or WAV under 3 minutes 30 and 320 kbps, otherwise the game rejects it. Once signed into your 2K account, navigate from the main menu to Creation Suite, then choose Manage Music. This is the first actionable step because importing happens here. Make sure your controller is connected and you have storage space. Once the track is imported, you assign it to the wrestler. After waveform analysis completes, name the file clearly so you can find it. Then go to Creation Suite and open Superstars or My Player, depending on who needs the theme. Navigate to Entrance Settings, select Entrance Music, and choose your imported file from the list. You can trim the start point and set loop options. Do this now so the right beat hits as the character appears in ring. Finish by saving your character and immediately testing the entrance in Exhibition or Universe mode so you can hear the result. If the theme doesn't play, re-import it at a lower bitrate or convert to WAV. Many failures come from incompatible encoding. Also make sure the right profile is active and no DLC or soundtrack conflict overrides custom music. If problems persist, reload a backup save and repeat import. This usually clears any metadata glitches that prevent playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.